Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix when personal hotspot is not working on your iPhone. So the first step is to go to home screen and then tap on settings icon, then tap on personal hotspot. Make sure allow others to join is on over here. So if this is disabled, enable it and then try to connect to hotspot. Now the next step is to restart your iPhone. So press and hold the power button on the right, and along with that press and hold the volume button simultaneously, and then slide to power off and then restart your iPhone and then check. Now the next step is to reset network settings. For this, again open settings on your iPhone, scroll down and then tap on general, scroll down. At the end here you can see the option which says transfer or reset iPhone. Tap on it and then tap on reset and then tap on reset network settings. Enter the password. Now tap on reset network settings once again and this will perform the reset. So let the reset complete. Now the next step is to make sure your iPhone is updated to the latest version. For this, open settings once again and then scroll down, tap on general. Here you can see option software update. Tap on software update and make sure automatic update is on and let the search complete. Now if there is any update available, tap on download and install, and after the installation restart your iPhone and then check. So one of the steps should help you to get the personal hotspot working on your iPhone. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.